This ad made a brand $40,000. The whole thing made in one free tool called Dzine AI in under 10 minutes. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to do the same thing. Right now, brands are paying creators anywhere from $150 to $500 per UGC ad. Now, most people think you need to show your face to tap into this. You don't, because brands don't care if the face is real. They care if the ad converts. The clips you just saw at the start, completely AI generated. That's exactly why Dzine AI changes everything. It's not just an image generator. It's the entire pipeline inside one single tab. Image generation, AI video, lip sync, final output. All of it, one website. No downloads, no switching. And look at this model dropdown. Grok, GPT Image, Nano Banana, C Dream, C Dance 2.0. These are the same models other tools charge you separately for, all in one dropdown. And they give you free credits every single day. You can start right now, completely free. Here's the exact workflow. Step 1, pick a product. Step 2, write the script with ChatGPT. Step 3, generate your character using Nano Banana in the AI Image tab. Step 4, animate it with C Dance 2.0 in the AI Video tab. Step 5, bring it to life with lip sync. Step 6, pitch it to brands and get paid. Let's go. For the product, I recommend starting with something you already know. Don't wait for a brand deal. Make the ad first, use it as your portfolio, then pitch it to brands. You're showing them what you can do before they've paid you a cent. That's more powerful than any pitch. I'm going with Red Bull. Iconic, recognizable, clean branding. Pull up the product image on Google and save it to your desktop. Now, open ChatGPT and paste this. Write a 20-second UGC ad for Red Bull. Energetic and direct. One person talking to camera. Clear call to action at the end. Done. Script in 10 seconds. 3 to 5 sentences. Opener, benefits, call to action. That's all you need. Copy it, keep it close, you'll use it soon. The exact prompt template is in the description. Grab it. Now go to Dzine AI, link is in the description, and click the AI Image tab on the left. Open the model dropdown, select Nano Banana. Best model right now for hyper-realistic human characters. Set ratio to 9:16, perfect for ads. Set quality to maximum. Don't skip this. Now, upload your Red Bull product image into the upload field. This tells the model exactly what to put in your character's hand. Then paste your image prompt. Full prompt is in the description, but the key things are age and look of your character, what they're wearing, what they're holding, the background, and the lighting. Hit generate. Look at that. A hyper-realistic person holding a Red Bull staring straight into the camera. Under 60 seconds. No actor, no camera, no studio. Now, click the AI Video tab. Select C Dance 2.0 from the model dropdown. This is where the magic happens. C Dance takes your character image and brings them to life. Natural head movement, blinking, subtle breathing. It looks like a real person filmed on a real camera. Upload your character image, paste the video motion prompt, person holding Red Bull, slight natural head movement, blinking, looking at camera, soft studio lighting. Full motion prompt is in the description. Set ratio to 9:16, hit generate. See that? The character is moving, naturally, like a real person sitting in front of a camera. Now this goes into lip sync. Click the lip sync tab. Upload the C Dance video you just generated. Paste your ChatGPT script into the prompt field. This becomes the voiceover, and Dzine syncs the mouth movements to it automatically. Set ratio to 9:16, hit generate. Watch this. The lips, the voice, perfectly synced on a fully AI-generated, fully animated face. One tool, no downloads, no tab switching, no re-exporting. I went from a blank screen to a fully talking AI character holding a product in under 5 minutes without leaving Dzine once. That's the flex. Now, let's turn this into income. Go to Instagram or LinkedIn. Search small brands in a niche you know. Look for brands posting regularly with 5,000 to 100,000 followers. Small enough to have a budget, small enough to not have an agency yet. When you find one, send this. Hey brand, I made a quick AI UGC ad for your product as a sample. Would love to send it over. No strings attached. I create these for your price per video. Short, direct. You're showing up with something already made. That's what gets replies. Start small, build testimonials, scale up. Final recap. Step 1, pick your product. Step 2, write the script with ChatGPT. Step 3, generate your character using Nano Banana in the AI Image tab. Step 4, animate it with Dance 2.0 in the AI Video tab. Step 5, drop it into lip sync, paste the script, hit generate. Step 6, pitch to small brands. Short message, lead with value. Everything is in the description. The image prompt, the motion prompt, the ChatGPT template, the DM pitch, and the design link with free daily credits waiting for you. Start today, right now, for free. And if you want me to show you how to build a full faceless channel from scratch using this, comment channel below. I'll make that video next.